Stop overpaying for car repairs. Change your early 2000s Honda Civic's headlights yourself. This information is for all the car owners out there who are tired of paying exorbitant amounts of money for simple car repairs, such as changing the headlights on their early 2000s Honda Civic. I understand the frustration of having to pay high labor costs for simple car repairs. That's why I had AI write this guide to provide car owners with the knowledge and skills they need to take care of their own cars and save money in the process. You'll learn step-by-step instructions for changing your headlights, as well as tips for preparing your car and yourself for the repair, saving money on repairs, and performing basic car maintenance tasks like oil changes, air filter replacement, tire maintenance, battery maintenance, and brake maintenance. By following these instructions, you'll be able to save hundreds of dollars on labor costs and gain the satisfaction of fixing your car yourself. Plus, by performing basic car maintenance tasks, you can extend the life of your car and keep it running smoothly for years to come. I hope you find this guide informative and helpful. Remember to always refer to your car's owner's manual for specific instructions and safety precautions when performing any repairs or maintenance tasks. And if you're ever unsure about a repair or maintenance task, don't hesitate to consult a professional. Happy repairing. Introduction. Cars are a necessity for many of us, but they can also be a major expense. Between car payments, insurance, gas, and maintenance, it can feel like we're constantly shelling out money to keep our cars on the road. One of the most frustrating expenses can be car repairs, especially when we feel like we're being overcharged for simple fixes. If you own an early 2000s Honda Civic, you're in luck. The Civic is known for being a reliable and affordable car, but that doesn't mean you have to overpay for repairs. In fact, there are many simple repairs you can do yourself with just a few basic tools and a little know-how. In this guide, we're going to focus on one of the most common and easy-to-fix issues with the early 2000s Honda Civic: headlight problems. Whether your headlights are dim, flickering, or completely out, you don't need to take your car to a mechanic and pay hundreds of dollars to have them fixed. Instead, you can learn how to do it yourself and save money in the process. In this guide, you'll learn how to diagnose common headlight problems in your early 2000s Honda Civic, what tools you'll need to fix them, step-by-step instructions for removing and replacing your headlights, safety tips for working with headlights and electricity, how to save money on replacement parts and tools, tips for maintaining your headlights to prevent future repairs and save money in the long run, and more. Understanding your headlights. Your car's headlights are essential for safe driving, especially at night or in inclement weather. However, they can also be a source of frustration when they start to malfunction. In this chapter, we'll cover the basics of how headlights work and how to diagnose common problems with your early 2000s Honda Civic's headlights. Types of headlights. There are two main types of headlights: halogen and LED. Halogen headlights are the most common type and use a filament inside a glass bulb to produce light. LED headlights, on the other hand, use light-emitting diodes to produce light. While LED headlights are becoming more common, the early 2000s Honda Civic is likely to have halogen headlights. Diagnosing headlight problems. One of the most common headlight problems is a burned-out bulb. This can cause your headlights to appear dim or not work at all. To diagnose this issue, turn on your headlights and check to see if both headlights are working. If only one is working, it's likely that the other bulb needs to be replaced. Another common issue is a faulty headlight switch. This can cause your headlights to flicker or not work at all. To diagnose this issue, turn on your headlights and wiggle the headlight switch. If the headlights flicker, the switch may need to be replaced. Tools you'll need. To fix most headlight issues on your early 2000s Honda Civic, you'll need a few basic tools. These include a screwdriver replacement, bulbs, needle nose pliers, safety glasses, gloves, safety tips. When working with headlights, it's important to take safety precautions. Make sure your car is turned off and the headlights are completely cool before starting any work. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands. Finally, be sure to disconnect the car battery before working on any electrical components. Preparing your car and yourself for the repair, before you begin any repair work on your early 2000s Honda Civic's headlights, it's important to properly prepare both your car and yourself. In this chapter, we'll cover the steps you should take to prepare for the repair, as well as some general tips for working on your car. Preparing your car. To prepare your car for the headlight repair, follow these steps. 1. Turn off the engine and headlights. Let the headlights cool down before starting any work. 2. Pop the hood and locate the headlight assembly. Depending on your car model, this may require removing a plastic cover or other components. 3. Disconnect the negative battery cable. This will prevent any electrical shocks while you're working on the headlights. Preparing yourself. In addition to preparing your car, it's important to prepare yourself for the repair work. Follow these tips to stay safe and comfortable while working on your car. 1. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands. 2. Wear comfortable, non-restrictive clothing that won't get caught on any components. 3. Work in a well-lit, well-ventilated area to avoid accidents and fumes. 4. Use jack stands or wheel ramps to raise the front of the car to a comfortable working height. Never work under a car that's only supported by a jack. General tips for working on your car. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a novice DIYer, it's important to follow some general tips when working on your car. These tips can help you stay safe and avoid costly mistakes. 1. Always consult your car's owner's manual before starting any repair work. This will give you specific instructions for your car model and help you avoid damaging any components. 2. Double-check that you have the correct tools and replacement parts before starting any repair work. 3. If you're unsure about a repair, don't hesitate to ask for help from a mechanic or more experienced DIYer. 4. Take your time and work methodically. Rushing or skipping steps can lead to mistakes and accidents. Saving money on headlight repairs. One of the main benefits of changing your early 2000s Honda Civic's headlights yourself is the money you'll save on car repairs. In this chapter, we'll cover some tips and strategies for saving even more money on headlight repairs. 1. One of the easiest ways to save money on replacement parts for your headlights is to buy them online. Online retailers often have lower prices than brick-and-mortar stores, and you can compare prices across multiple websites to find the best deal. Just be sure to buy from a reputable seller and check that the parts you're buying are compatible with your car's make and model. 2. In addition to buying replacement parts online, you can also save money by choosing generic or aftermarket parts instead of OEM parts. While OEM parts are designed specifically for your car's make and model, generic parts are often cheaper and can work just as well. Just be sure to do your research and buy from a reputable seller to avoid any compatibility issues. 3. You don't need a lot of fancy tools to change your headlights. In fact, many of the tools you need are probably already in your toolbox. Stick to basic tools like screwdrivers, pliers, and sockets, and avoid buying specialized tools that you may only use once. 4. If you're not confident in your ability to change your headlights on your own, consider asking a friend for help. Not only will this save you money on labor costs, but it can also be a fun and rewarding experience to work on your car with a friend. 5. there are countless YouTube tutorials and DIY guides available online that can help you change your headlights step by step. Watching these tutorials can save you money on labor costs and give you the confidence you need to tackle the repair on your own. Beyond headlight repairs, basic car maintenance. In this chapter, we'll discuss some basic car maintenance tasks that you can do yourself to keep your early 2000s Honda Civic running smoothly. By performing these tasks regularly, you can save money on car repairs and extend the life of your car. 1. Regular oil changes are essential to the health of your car's engine. You should change your oil every 5,000 miles or as recommended in your car's owner's manual. Changing your oil yourself is a relatively easy and inexpensive task that can save you money on labor costs. Be sure to dispose of the old oil properly and refill with the recommended type and amount of oil. 2. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow to your engine and reduce fuel efficiency. You should replace your air filter every 12,000 miles or as recommended in your car's owner's manual. This is another easy and inexpensive task that you can do yourself with basic tools. 3. Proper tire maintenance can improve your car's handling, fuel efficiency, and overall safety. Check your tire pressure regularly and inflate to the recommended level. You should also rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. Finally, be sure to replace your tires when they become worn or damaged. 4. Your car's battery is essential to starting your engine and powering your car's electronics. You should check your battery regularly for signs of corrosion or other damage. Clean any corrosion with a wire brush and apply a battery terminal protectant. If your battery is more than 3 years old, you may need to replace it. 5. Brake maintenance is essential to the safety of your car. You should replace your brake pads and rotors as recommended in your car's owner's manual. If you hear any unusual noises or feel any vibrations when braking, you should have your brakes checked by a professional. Congratulations! You've now learned how to save money on headlight repairs by changing the headlights on your early 2000s Honda Civic yourself. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can save hundreds of dollars on labor costs and gain the satisfaction of fixing your car yourself. But don't stop at just headlight repairs. By performing basic car maintenance tasks like oil changes, air filter replacement, tire maintenance, battery maintenance, and brake maintenance, you can save even more money on car repairs and extend the life of your car. These tasks are relatively easy and can be done with basic tools, so don't be afraid to give them a try. Remember to always refer to your car's owner's manual for specific instructions and safety precautions when performing any repairs or maintenance tasks. And if you're ever unsure about a repair or maintenance task, don't hesitate to consult a professional. By taking care of your early 2000s Honda Civic and performing regular maintenance, you can save money, extend the life of your car, and enjoy a safe and reliable ride for years to come. This book that was authored by OpenAI's ChatGPT. With the company taking on billions of dollars in investments, this is the perfect time to find out ways for this innovative tool to help you learn how to save money on car repairs. Audio for this book was provided by NaturalSoft Limited's Natural Reader AI software using their commercial license. Per their website, this license allows you to use its software and voices for commercial or public use. This includes, but is not limited to, YouTube videos, public announcements, broadcasts, and e-learning.